Yeah, Gaza Nation. Remember me telling you, straight up, don't ever sleep on local vibes, You see what I say? We don't take nothing from local ad, because you don't know, say the local one as well, kind of phenomenal, you know what I mean? And a whole heap of people love say local ad like, not pre-local vibes. You know, no competition thing, but here me I say, remember me telling you this. Local vibes. I go run dancehall. You hear me? Yeah, man. I can see the transition and the growth, you know what I mean? I don't know if you see it, but me don't see it, all my gun see it, and a lollipop thing. What? At the world, it's not a plan. Watch where I go on. Carefully think. Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. Oh, no, know it go already, when I come for representing a full effecting, man. Know it go? I will load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing, them. Hey, you know a loud explosion bought ya. Watch me, no, man. Hey, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, no, man. Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. Me there in my house, I relax. You know, me take it easy. I grade my smoke and me no bun BD. You see what I say? Body can't tell me what to do in my house. You see me, me run bout you and a lollipop thing. You hear me I say? Right about now, me I watch something, pan JA radio, and me can't believe say so much dumb people you have about them claim them a run down dancehall. Yo, no dumb, and so much people were full of illusion, my virgin. Yo, we not deal with illusion, my virgin. All the people them a move, say dog. I know our style that. Yo, J.A. Radio asks a question, who have the most hits them in our ear, I think I saw that question them ask. Right now, who have the biggest set of hits them for the year? Hands down, man. Hands down, man, a vibes cartel and popcorn, man. You know what I mean? If we not talk, a better on a specific one not talk, one not talk, YouTube it, or it where blogger say it. Yo, a Vibes Cartel and Popcorn have the biggest set of hits them for the year. Me no want no bumbuckler idiot go like say them want downgrade the man them work where them put in a dancehall. Or not go like on a bumbaras clot idiot so. Eh? You think you can bring the YouTube hits them or you look at hits them in a Jamaica to the man them big international hits where you see on Billboard? Something wrong with no people are in a cloud. The man them they on the biggest chart in the world. I don't act like a fool and I call some artist name and I go like on a tell. Don't act like you want shadow the man them thing what the man them do for the genre dancehall music, We don't look a clown self, And what wrong with Eh? We not clown or what. You can see the man them with big billboard man start it. While some artists never even grace them chart there before and you talk your fuckery. And I talk your lollipop thing. And I run up on YouTube, me hear some una go like say una vocal, I like una do something. When you lucky me busy I never get to his car, una like it, You see what I deal with? Una come run up on the man, as una hear a man go live. And I talk about a certain thing. All you want to do a call lead and burst out on a bag of fuckery and illusion. You a clown or what? You can see man drop big billboard, 2 billboard album. And the whole of the song them on the album it from the album it. From the album it the billboard, the whole of the song them on the album it. What the fuck you not talk about? It's a body of work that. You see Popcorn dropping mixtape. How much collaboration with how much international artists. You think you can take that from the man and go like on one downgrade that and a first world country the man a dominate? The biggest chart them in the world. What's wrong with these people? The nerve of some people. I have the audacity audacity for having a vocal eye like a steel and like you know being a factor or not chat something credible. A be a lollipop thing when I go on and the artists them when me hear now call them name, them not even bubble up much as to be bum buckle at hot water. Them not bubble up. So we are talk about when thing hot it a fair bubble up. So you can see all the steam all a fly out of it. Here a boy run on the internet and I talk about alkaline have 3 hit song and this, that and cuss up one whole heap of bad word and I go. Let me tell you something that. A popular song alkaline have and cut your fucker out. Eh? Why I'm gonna do no clown? Eh? The ocean look like it wash with the formula and the salt water spoil it. You see what I deal with? I want to talk about. I know why the artist are second for all where him there and a second for all him is in that. He say no need to tell the artist say right now you know that artist. Right now you need to step it up, you know. Another notch, you know. Because we need to see upon the international market. You're supposed to carry the banner dancehall right now, you know. Two of them did hype and a push here, you know. You see what I deal with? You not highlight that upon the artist. Right now, I'm not disrespect the artist now, not at all, you know. But just make you know the straight truth, you know. You see what I deal with? You can't ever act like you want blind to the man them work what the man them put out in a 2020 dancehall. You see what I deal with? One of the most successful vybz kartel ever have in his whole career. When you talk about when you talk about songs and when you talk about hits. You know what I mean? The man dropped 2 big Billboard albums. Countless collaboration. You know what I mean? Countless single. You know what I mean? Popcaan drop him fixed tape. A whole heap of collaboration with all type of artists. You see me? We stun up the Billboard chart and them shit. They don't want to come and tell man, but fuck me here on a chat. Like when you can bring on a look at Jamaica hits to the man, them or you look at YouTube hits, or you look at it's one of blogger claim as it's in their mouth. Right about now in a Gaza nation. Sharp Boss, you know. She's supposed to win the producer of the year. A 2 Billboard albums she dropped. You see me I deal in no gimmicks no in it. You see me I deal in? Yeah. Shabdan supposed to win the biggest song for the year, the biggest dancehall song for the year, and then a gimmicks thing. A back-to-back Shabdan and go do that. Another far brother. Shabba anywhere at all at the end of the world. Big up yourself, you know, my general. You hear that? You know the thing go already. You know I'm not laugh with it. And if boy violate, you know say them head go get chopped off with it. And then a gimmicks thing. You know what I mean? You know I'm deal with it already. A mad and mean thing. And you know for ask if I'm bad and clean. Watch. Hear me I say no man. Right about now, you know. Respect goes out, you know, to the 6 them, you know. This is where I deal with. For me hear boy I talk about it song and them shot. The it song when you spit it song when the whole street about it. This is where I deal with. And the 6 them are the only crew right now in a dancehall who are dominated differently from Gaza. This is where I deal with. And Kartel and him youth them, you see me? Because we not even going to mix up that car one whole family, you see what I say? So no care when a boy want chat about and not talk about this and them thing they and go like say them want come put dull light on all the man them career and them shit there. You never say alkaline try with couple youth and all know them no sparks. You have to run go for high water intense and them still no sparks. So you don't see that the 6 them still there, they are stamp concrete way in the ground, a broke off thing where shaky. You don't see that? Eh? And there they talk on a foolishness and talk about this and talk about that. You don't act like on a stupid, you know. You know what I mean? And you know I'm not going to take that from you, you know. I'm not going to take one and say, you know. Respect goes out to Skilly Banger, the most improved artist for the year. You see what I deal with? Him break out with a bag of hits. No lollipop thing no in it, no games thing no in it. You can't go around the man thing. You see what I deal with? No joke thing no in it. You see what I deal with? And we not go take nothing from the insect because him drop some song but I know my style them there, but people still goes out feature, you still hear him name call. So you still not even go can't even hide that neither. You see what me I dealing? Yeah, but him go like him tough and the general go up there and say skate by your hand and boy skate way and turn idiot. You see what me I deal with that them a put shadows on them own a career, you know. You know what I mean? When them feel like them can step up in a certain manner and feel like them can violate big giant artists. I don't have the work for prove it. You don't have the work for prove it. A regular song you don't have. You don't have no major song. Because the song now hit the billboard. So stop act like say you're a major artist. No, you're a regular artist. We deal with YouTube. It's and the look at it's them in a Jamaica on the radio station. You see me? That means you're not regular. You're not international. You see what I deal with? You're not first class. I'm not violate you. That is just the normal truth. And any boy who want to talk something else, I must chuck him and go chuck off and I need somewhere where big and wide open up. You hear me I say? Because I don't know where else you can talk about. When you talk the thing as you see it as it goes, my brethren, it can't go no further than that. Vybz, Kartel, Popcaan, yeah, TJ a nice youth. Them youth they drop some nice hits up. You know what I mean? The same goes on for Massacre. The Six them. You see me? Chronicle them. The man them turn up them thing. The man them deal with them thing properly. You see what I say? Me not say them youth they have a nice ear in a dancehall, but me I talk about the heavyweight champion of Vybz, Kartel and Popcaan. And a dancehall, the man them a carry upon them back, so you can't act like you want underrate that or overlook that just because you're a lollipop artist, my brethren. No at all no go so. Some of the biggest chart in the world, the man them a wrap up. We not talk on a look of fuckery. Eh? You know how much paper in the world the man them make a listen to dancehall? Just because cracking up the billboard chart and all them shit there. Eh? Stop act like you don't have no sense, you know, my brethren. Because Jamaica lost in New York, you know. Probably all twice, you know. Or more, you know, my brethren. And that are just New York alone, you know, my friend. See, if you don't see the man them a dominate them big giant chart there all over the world, you know, cut on the fuck out, you know. And I try put no artists in the man them caliber, you know, my brethren. Because them can't fit, you know. You see what I deal with? I don't know joke thing, you know. Boy run go for 38, me glock quicker, so me have to clap it on them like mosquito. Me make copper junk them and not liquor. Mara fly like plane go Africa, run where? Pussy all do, you know. Eh? Eh? Where the raw sweet, you know. Eh? You know a clown? You know me not laugh with it, you know. I don't know gimmicks business what me I represent, you know. I don't have time for come on YouTube, come with the most, with no animated story, you know. No, full story, you know. For look no clout, no hype, you know. Is where me I deal with. You know me are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business, you know. So it means a man I represent the thing I feel electrifying, you know. Furthermore, the ladies them know. Me are the man with the most finesse on the internet. No gimmicks not in my thing. Eh? Some with these clowns. Eh? I call some lollipop artist name. Nobody know them. Who know them? Who I hear about them? Eh? Yo, the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent. And Gaza Nation, let me tell you something. Because I watch what go on, you know. But the need for go over there, go support local vibes, you know. And look at Adi, you know. Is what I deal with? We don't need for support the man them thing. We don't need for squeeze up the button upon the man them thing. You see what I deal and get the man them numbers up, in a top gear, you know. No lollipop thing not dead about it, you know, my virgin. Respect to Sharp Boss, you know, for the big, for the big juggling, you know. You see what I deal with? The thing them sound unique. You see what I say? Them sound different. Yeah, them sound different. We like the vibes. We like the unification. Of the general, the 10-star one I represent. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Hey, yo, 10-star. General.